Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply show your mouse cursor in your model clips. So if you want to go ahead and show your mouse cursor, so if I navigate through one of my recordings right here, you can now go ahead and see my actual cursor. And to simply disable this, you just want to, or to simply enable this, you just want to head over to the model application, click on the gear icon, which is going to be at the top or at the bottom right corner of your screen, or at the bottom left, which is going to be this one. I'm really sorry. And inside this option, you have something like your quality, audio, video overlay, so on and so forth. Actually, there's also the overlays right here if you want to enable it, but I'm fine with this one. So what you want to do is to actually scroll down all the way to the bottom, and in here you have the other recordings, and make sure that the show mouse cursor is enabled. So turn this on to show your mouse cursor in your videos, and simply from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.